How to create a promo video on a startup budget.
This is Christy Hendricks with Arnie, and we are going to do a little in-service here. This is going to be how to create a promotional video on a startup budget. So let's get started.
Step 1. Create a slide deck and fill it with your content. I used PowerPoint in this example. You can make your own graphics using Canva or Stencil and add them to your slides, like I did here. Continue designing your slides using colors, images, transitions, and animations as desired. Step 3. Narrate your text and image slides as you like. Step 4. When you have your slide deck the way you like it, convert it to an MP4 video file. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to take this slide deck that we've just created, and we want to convert it into an MP4 file so that we can upload it to YouTube or share it. However, we can also move on to another step, an optional step, and that is we can insert it into or upload it to Screencast-o-Matic to add some additional video files. So anyway, let's go ahead and make this one a MP4 file. So you're just going to go up here to the left and select File, and go down here to Export, and then you're going to create a video. You can leave it as full HD, or you can make a smaller file if you want to, or Ultra HD. I usually just keep it at full HD. And you're going to use the recorded timings and narrations. We don't want to get rid of those. And then right here, seconds spent on each slide. That's if you have like any blank slides. Blank, I'm meaning that there's no narrations on them. They might be just an image, or they might be a few words, and you just want to spend a couple of seconds on that. Then you're going to set that. Otherwise, you can just leave it alone. Okay. And then all you need to do is select Create Video, and you're good to go. And that's it. This is an optional step. If you want to insert additional video clips like I have, which are the talking head videos of myself, then I recommend inserting them into your video using the Screencast-o-Matic editor.
You can see that in this video that I've inserted into this particular slide, it's just a talking head video, and it's just really so I can kind of pop in and tell you what we're doing and how we're going to go about this. Now, the video that you can put into your slide deck, it's going to be just really depending on what the purpose of your promotional video is, and who's involved and what you want to put in. It could be anything. So instead of a talking head video like this, it could be maybe an interview with your president and CEO. It could be a little Q&A type of the thing. Just think about the purpose. Is it for sales? Is it to get investors? You're looking for investors and you're trying to kind of pitch them and show them, talk to them about your company, your brand, your product, your service. So it's really going to depend on those things. So let's move on to the next step.
If you've decided to add additional video clips to create this larger video, then you're going to move on to step 5. So you're going to import your MP4 slide deck file. So that's the MP4 file that you created just from your slide deck, and you're going to import that into Screencast-o-Matic. Step 6. You'll insert your other video files where you want them. And step 7, save your newly edited video. Step 8, now you can upload your MP4 video file to YouTube or another hosting site, embed it on your website, and share it across social media. Congratulations, you've just created a promo video on a startup budget.